Right now it is Tuesday, January 21st, and it is around 9. So what am I trying to see today? Like you guys can see, we have all these highs and we also have this 4. Not every single day is going to be clean, and we have to be disciplined and know this data is very risky to be risking money on. And like I told you guys, all I need is what I'm doing right now is I'm actually back testing today's data just so I can see how the market. Once we have that pre-market liquidity sweep, we have a pre-market market. Good morning, good morning, good morning, LH team. I hope everyone started their day amazing, and I hope that today you have something great to do and something productive. Right now it is Tuesday, January 21st, and it is around 9:05, 9:06. And what am I doing out here? Like I tell you guys, one of the biggest things that I like to do before I hop on the charts, open up my computer and sit down for 2 hours is get some fresh air, get some sun, because sun gives me hope. Fresh air opens up my mind, gets sleep out of my head, and gets me back in the mood. And right now it's really cold out here, so the chills and everything is pretty much waking me up and making me feel ready. Today it is Tuesday, and we have CPI news at 8:30, and I'm pretty sure I like 10 a.m. or like 4 p.m. actually it is, but that's besides the point. My name is Lester Hernandez. I am a 17-year-old self-made entrepreneur. I am a full-time day trader, full-time content creator, and I own a window cleaning business on the side. If you are on the journey to either of those three, follow me, because what I am doing is what successful people are already doing. So I'm copying and pasting them. So if it helps me, it can definitely help you. Remember, not every single day you need a trade, and not every single day you will find a trade. So stop the yapping. Let's go ahead and hop onto these charts. That way I can show you guys what I have in my charts. Stay safe and don't force a trade. What up, team? So like you guys can see, all my levels are marked out on US 30 and on MNQ, and we are also on the call with the VIP Trading Network, FBA Capital. So what am I trying to see today? Like you guys can see, we have all these highs and we also have this 4-hour fair value gap that if we come over here, I'm looking to buy. If we take out these levels, I'm looking to sell. On MNQ, if we come to this 2-hour fair value gap, I am looking to buy. But if we take out these high resistance liquidity levels, then I'm looking to sell. Whenever I have something, I'm gonna come back to you guys because it is CPI day. So I think the news will be very slow and the data will be very slow. When I have something, you guys will be the first ones to know. What up, team? So like you guys can see, I had all my levels marked out, but the market just started going crazy. We were about here at 927, 928, and then we just shot up, and then now we're shooting down. Now we're retracing. I do not want to do anything with this data. And now look at over here with MNQ. We were over here at 928, 925, and then we just shot down straight up and then down. This data is very risky to be risking money on, and like I told you guys, all I need is one A+ setup per week to be able to make my money, and this is not A+ data. I do not want to be risking this money. Like I told you guys, we have the rest of the week to be able to come back to these markets and make some money. Not every single day is going to be clean, and we have to be disciplined and know when it's the right time to press the trigger. If you just click it when you see something happening, you're going to be like a soldier without ammo. But me, you're going to catch me in that battleground with money to be spending. I hope you were safe, and remember, don't force a trade, bro. It's not even 10, and all this data is happening. Too much jumping up and down, too much wicking. You're going to get stopped out, or you're going to be in your feelings when you do get stopped out, because this thing, as soon as you enter, it just starts jumping up and down like a freaking earthquake bar. But I'll be with you guys all day. Stay tuned. What up, team? I hope you're doing something great, and I hope you're becoming 1% better as the day goes on. What I'm doing right now is I'm actually back testing today's data just so I can see how the market reacted to CPI. That way I can put that stuff in my journal. And if you have been following me in my journey, and if you have been watching all of my videos, I took a trade on Wednesday, January 15th of 2025 this year, and we had CPI data that same day. All right. And I took a trade that day. I took a short position and I got stopped out. I lost a total of $379 that day. But all my confluences, everything happened pre-market. And once the market opened, that's when my entry happened, and that's when I entered. And I got stopped out and the market went my way, I'm pretty sure, or it might have gone against me. No, it went against me, but I put all of that stuff in my journal. And right now, as I'm going through today's data, the same thing happened today. And I want to go ahead and show you guys what happened today so I can show you guys what I wrote on my journal so you guys can see that the same stuff happens once these news come around, and we have to make sure we journal these things so we learn these things. We learn to either lower our risk on a trade when CPI is here, or just not take a trade. Let's hop on the charts. What's up, team? So like you guys can see, it says Tuesday, January 1st of 2025 on a Tuesday, and today is Tuesday. So what happened today? Like you guys can see, I have this area over here marked out as pre-market liquidity sweep. And why do I have that marked out? You'll find out in a second. Once we have that pre-market liquidity sweep, we have a pre-market market structure shift level that is made, and we break that as well pre-market. All right, once we break it, we create this 3-minute fair value gap over here that I am looking at to see if we have a reaction. And like you guys can see, we enter it, but then we go in and then we go out, giving me that reaction that I need to say, okay, we pushed into it on the 5-minute and we reacted out. So what do? I go into the 1-minute so I can get a sniper entry and a better risk to reward. And let me go ahead and show you guys what happened. So we break the liquidity, we break market structure shift right over here, we create this 3-minute fair value gap, and then what happens? We enter it, we have that reaction, and on the 1-minute we enter it one more time right at equilibrium. And like you guys can see, it would have gone right my way, but like I told you guys, all of this happened pre-market, and our entry happened when? At exactly 9:30. That's exactly when the New York Stock Exchange market opens. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I have in my notes for Wednesday the 15th. All right, I have everything over here. Like you guys can see, it says journal 1/15/25 on Wednesday. Look over here, I have my pair, number of contracts, my size, and everything. But let me read the confluence. We were at a daily fair value gap, and we also had a daily high that we used for sell side. Everything happened pre-market open. The liquidity sweep and the displacement giving us our market structure shift level all happened pre-market. Our break of structure happened when market opened, creating a 5-minute fair value gap that we tapped in the 5-minute time frame and had a bearish reaction. I waited in the 1-minute time frame for an entry at equilibrium, so I entered. All right, so like I told you guys, we have the same stuff happen when we have these news come along every single time. And I'm not trying to show you guys these things so you guys can be like, oh, he missed out on a trade, he didn't make any money today. You know, if I would have seen this right on live market, I would have never taken it. Why? Because I would have had my journal open of my last trading day, and I would have read that, and I would have been like, okay, but on CPI as well as today, I took a trade, everything happened pre-market, and what happened? I got stopped out. Do I want to take that trade? No, I do not. And that's how powerful a journal is. You know, if you journal your trades, you will find your mistakes. Like me, right now, I was starting to have a little bit of FOMO, but then you know what? I read my notebook and I was like, that's what FOMO would have led you to. Take a freaking good trade because it went my way. But what if I would have gotten stopped out? I would have lost $379. Actually, no, because I had a tighter stop loss on that because I didn't need to have that big stop loss because it was 30 points and I had like 5 to 10 points above the high. But, you know, What if I would have gotten stopped out? I would have lost money. And why? Because I didn't listen to my mistake that I made last time we had CPI. That is the power of a journal. If you do journal, make sure you're journaling with a purpose. Make sure you're journaling everything. What I mean is everything: emotions, what you did right, what you did wrong, what you could have done better, the confluence, what pair you took, amount of contracts, what time you entered, what kind of news were going on. All these things take an effect on how your trade goes. Make sure you journal it, and make sure you read your journal, because your journal is powerful, just like your mind. What up, team? So, you never believe what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go play some indoor soccer, and guess what I'm gonna do too? I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing something productive. Like I tell you guys, don't let yourself short. Do not stay behind. Become 1% better. Bro, you guys have no idea how happy and how proud I am of myself for all the stuff that I'm doing, dude. You know, I'm 17. At 17, you expect somebody to be partying, doing all these things, but that's the last of my thoughts, you know. But hope everyone is doing great. God bless you all, and I hope you all enjoy the next clips.
Se favela, 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 se favela. Se favela,
What up, family? So, I'm back home. I'm done playing soccer. My day is done. It's about 11:30, almost 12, and I'm still editing this video. And I need this clip that I'm recording so I can finish the video. I hope everyone had a blessed day. I hope you did something productive. Remember, manifest for their life, manifest your future. And remember, nobody else can build the dream life that you want but yourself. You know how, like, there's a company that you work for and there's this person who owns it. You know how he comes in the BMWs and like the Corvettes and the Lambos, and then you be showing up in your little Camry, your little Toyota. You wanna know why? You bought him that BMW. You bought him that Lambo. You wanna know why? Because you're making money for him while he's paying you a little bit of it, while you're making him twice the amount he's paying you, 10 times the amount he's paying you. So build your dream life. Remember, time is money and money is time. Don't waste your time. Do something productive. I'll see you all tomorrow because it'll be a great trading day. God bless you all. Stay safe.